Yeah, okay, hey everybody. Corey here at 6 Day Cash Buyers. I'm dressed down, you can see in my flannel all around me. It is springtime, that's not true, it's autumn time here. And I'm super excited to be talking to you in this video. I just wanted to give you a quick pointer on if you need to sell your house and you're looking to sell your house, one of the big things that people see as you're driving past the house is the curb appeal. So the impression that you make when someone drives past your house is super important. And you want to make sure the outside of your house looks fresh, so it looks clean, there's no garbage, you've got to mow the grass, and if you can and you can afford it, doing something like a paint job, if there needs to be shingles that need to be replaced or siding, that's super important because that can actually draw people in. And that can be one of the big things that causes people to not want to buy your property once they get further down the buying process. It's just the outside just looks messy. And I mean, if you get no one to your open house, or if no one even comes to your front door, then you can't sell your house. So it's really important that you get that curb appeal. Curb appeal is what it's called. Really high, so that people want to buy our house. And we've noticed this with a lot of properties that we've actually purchased and then tried to sell. We need to fix them up well, and the outsides need to look fantastic, or buyers just don't want to buy them. So that is a huge tip for selling your house and for fixing your house up. So if you do need help selling your house, we actually buy houses really quick. We're all over the place. So check out our website, 6daycashbuyers.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel because we got a lot of really great tips coming out really, really soon. This is one of the first of many. So subscribe and give us a call if you need our help, and we'd love to chat with you more. All right, I'm gonna go jump in the ocean now.